Diwali series episode 2. So in today's video I have planned two amazing sandwich recipes. So first is going to be chili cheese toast with a cookbook twist, and the other one is going to be paneer tikka sandwich. So hang out till the end of the video where I'll be showing you these two amazing sandwich recipes, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
Okay, starting first with making your garlic butter. To begin with, I've taken around 2 tablespoons of softened butter, and in goes my garlic and chili paste. And then I have added some coriander.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up in the microwave till the butter sort of melts.
Our butter is nicely melted. And now in this, I'm going to season it a little more. I'm adding in some oregano and chili flakes. And our seasoned butter is ready, guys. Next is a little twist that I've learned. So I've taken around 3 cubes of grated cheese, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of milk. And I'm going to microwave this for approximately 20 seconds. We're going to mix this together so the milk and the cheese combines well, and we're going to use this paste on top of our bread. So what this is going to do is it's going to add a good blister on top and gives an amazing texture. Once that is done, I'm going to start applying the first garlic butter that we had made. Just coat it well. Repeating the process for all the loaves. Okay, so coming back to the paste that we had created. So since I've used a mozzarella cheese, it's turned out to be like this, and I recommend you guys to use a mozzarella cheese because once this is done and when you take a bite, it's going to have that pull out effect of the cheese. And so what I've done is on top of the paste, I have grated some more cheese, some chilies, and to make it colorful, I'm just adding some red capsicum. You can even go for the red chilies. And then adding some corn. So once this is done, I'm going to put this into a baking tray in a preheated oven for around 10 minutes. And we're going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for around 8 to 9 minutes. And our chili cheese toast is ready, guys. Don't forget to notice the golden spots on the cheese, and when you take a bite, you'll have a perfect cheese which is going to ooze out, and it is going to be absolutely heavenly. Do try this out, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Moving on to the next recipe, which is a super exciting one. I'm going to start with mustard oil and then adding in red chili powder, some coriander powder, some cumin powder, and some garam masala, some salt to taste, and some hung curd. And now with the help of a whisk, I'm going to whisk everything together so everything blends in well. And now I'm going to add in roasted gram flour, which is also called besan. Then adding in some veggies, anything what you like, guys. I'm going to add in just random bell peppers, onions, chilies, tomatoes, paneer, and slowly mix it so the paneer sort of doesn't break. And now I'm going to take a pan and going to put some ghee. And once our ghee is hot, I'm going to add this marinated paneer mixture that we've created into this. On a low flame, I'm going to let this cook for around 8 to 9 minutes. After it is cooked, I'm going to turn off the gas, and now I've got some sandwich bread. Just applying the butter and then some sandwich chutney. If you want to learn how to make my style sandwich chutney, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as I'll be posting the recipe of this sandwich chutney real soon. And once we're done with that, I'm going to add my paneer tikka masala. Go as much as you want, guys. If you want a filling sandwich, then you can add in a lot of pieces of paneer. This recipe is amazing even for your kids, guys, so don't forget in this festive season to try this recipe out, as it's going to be quick and extremely filling. And once we're done with this, I'm going to add in a slice of cheese. And voila, our sandwich is ready to be toasted. I'm going to do this in my favorite way to toast any sandwich. I usually do it on a tawa. And don't forget to coat your bread with a generous amount of butter, as this also helps in giving that golden brown color on your bread. So you see, guys, how I'm trying to press my bread against with the help of a spoon or a spatula, as this will give a uniform color to our bread. And the sandwich is ready, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I loved filming this. Serve this with tomato sauce and your sandwich chutney, and trust me, guys, every bit of it is going to be super relishing. I hope you enjoyed watching my sandwich series, and a lot of more videos coming up your way, guys. So stay tuned, and you know the drill, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.